My toilet overflowed and leaked into the ceiling below, dining room. Water came out of the light fixture, but we caught it after about 15 minutes. I'm going to replace the toilet, but I'm worried about water damage/mold in the ceiling. Should I call someone to rip out and dry the ceiling?
Welcome to Just Answer. My name is I will do my best to help you with your issue. If my initial response doesn't answer your question, then let me know and we can continue our conversation. The ceiling will probably dry out just fine on its own if you don't have any more leaks. You'll have a water stain, so you'll have to paint the ceiling using a stain blocker, shellac-based Kilz or bin.
Do you think mold will be an issue? I'm not sure how well it will dry out in the ceiling other than just leaving it be.
It's been my experience, 40 plus years, that a one-off leak will dry out with no mold growth. It's only persistent leaks that keep the area wet for a long period where mold is likely to grow. Keep in mind that the enclosed area is not exposed to free air flow where mold spores are common.
Got it, thank you.
You're welcome.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.